So we're going to talk about what to do when the bases cannot be written using the same number. Okay? So if you look at the next example, which is right here, can you rewrite 200 using a base of 5?
Possibly.
Yes.
Okay, what is the number? 5 to what power gives you 200? 5 to the 4th is 625.
To the fourth?
Yes.
To the fourth?
To the 4th power, yes.
2.5.
2.
5 to the 2nd power is 25.
3.
It's 125.
4.5.
Okay, so Ramion hit it on the head there. We don't have a whole number, right? If there's no whole number, then we can't use the strategy that we just did. All right? So that means we need to come back to talk about something that you did last week. And the main thing that you did last week was worked with logarithms. All right? So what you're going to do right here to solve this is you're going to take the logarithm of both sides. So I'm going to write the word log in front of everything. So the logarithm of both sides. So notice I rewrote 5 to the x minus 2 equals 200, but log is in front of both sides. All right? Now, there's a property from Thursday that you guys looked at. It's called the power property. All right? It says I can do something with this exponent.
Add. Distribute. Delete it. Get rid of it.
I can't just get rid of it. We can actually move it somewhere.
To the other, to that.
I can move it
To the other side.
to the front. All right? So I'm going to move it to the front. And it multiplies. All right, so notice my x minus 2 has been moved to the front. Okay? Now, I want you guys, if you have your calculator, if you have your calculator, I want you guys to type in the log of 200. Go ahead and just type in, find where logarithm is on your calculator, and type in the log of 200.
2.30102.
Okay? Find it. Find where log is. All right, and once you do that, hit clear and type in the log of 5. It is not.
0.69.
The whole point of this, guys, the whole point of me asking you to do this is I want you to see that they're just numbers. Okay? So a lot of students get kind of confused here. They're like, ooh, what's this whole logarithm thing? They're just numbers. All right, so this is just kind of a more challenging linear equation almost. All right, because logs are just numbers. So if this log of 5 is connected by multiplication, how do I move it to that side? Very good. I'm going to divide. All right, so I'm going to write log of 5. All right, so now I have on the left side, what's left on the left side?
X minus 2. Log of 40.
On the left side, this becomes 1, right? This makes 1. So I have just x minus 2. Now, I heard Rossi say the log of 40. You need to fight that urge. Okay? We are not going to divide those numbers. You cannot do that. So you're going to leave it as the log of 200 over the log of 5. Because the log of 200 divided by the log of 5 is not the log of 40. I don't know what it is, but it's not. Can't do it. All right? Now we're almost done. Because I wanted to say x equals. So what do I need to do to get it to say x equals?
Plus 2.
Add 2. Very good.
Plus 2.
So I'm going to write plus 2 to both sides. So my answer, Andy, is going to be the log of 200 divided by the log of 5 plus 2. And that is acceptable. I would absolutely accept that on your quiz. All right? Now, some of you may want to do a decimal approximation. which means that you would actually type this into your calculator. And that's fine too. So we'll do that real fast. So you should have your calculator out. I prefer to use the fraction button. If you go above the number 7, there's a button that says n over d. All right? So that button, n over d, if you hit that, should give you a fraction. It's an n over d. Exactly. Oh, I'm sorry. Numerator over denominator. Yes, over sign. All right? So you should be able to type that in. Make sure you add 2, and then you should get a decimal approximation. What is it? Well, what is it? So approximately 5.3.
3.29.
So you should make sure you add 2, though, right? Okay. All right. So if I plug that back into the original equation of 5.3, well, what is 5.3 minus 2? What is 5.3 minus 2?
3.3.
So in your calculator now, do 5 to the 3.3 power. So do 5 to the 3.3 power. And I'm hoping you get 200.
202.
Oh, man, we didn't get 200?
No, 202.5.
Why did we not get 200?
We're wrong.
No, we're not wrong.
Because it's impossible.
What did we do here?
We didn't add 2.
What did we do here? We rounded. And so if you round, it's not actually 5.3, it's 5.29 going on forever, right? So technically this answer is right, and so is that one, but just know that it's going to not give you exactly what you had at the beginning because we rounded.